Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 900 plus business card templates in Victor files or PSD files with 10 different categories. So open here is my website Sherry Graphics, and all data is no protected, I mean without password. So you see here, first you click here and um, go to business card. You see here I have already open pages. Here is corporate business card 08. You see here 8 Victor files, download here, all details are here. And next is 100 business card templates bundle, and total files are 400 PSD Photoshop file, and download is here. Next is 50 business card and 200 Photoshop PSD files. Okay, and the next is 35 creative, and here is 35 files. Here is 120 PSD file for Photoshop. Here is download link, and this link for font color, font TTF file. And file work with Adobe CS5 or CS Plus like CC 2018, 19, 20, and CS6, CS5. Next is 35. Here is 91 PSD file and one health file, text file, and here is categories of business files: simple business card, fashion, photography, clean, modern and clean. Okay, and 25. Wow, food business card, craft and typography, simple, sport, professional business card, modern, urban, black and white business card, golden, modern, and retro business card, clean and white business card. Okay, and downloading is here. 10 business card and 10 is PSD file without font link. Download link is here. And here is 8 different business card, font web link, and file work with Adobe CS3, but you can use in CS6, CS5 or CC. Here is 8 file, and last file is here, 6 PSD file, front and back side. You can download here, and here is PSD CC or latest like CC 2018, 19, and this font link, these are free font, and download here. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.